membrane. With the formation of this artificial proton gradient, the mitochondria formed ATP. Which of these scenarios would result in the formation of ATP by a mitochondrion? Click on the mitochondrion in the correct scenario. What is the role of the proton channel, ATP synthase, in the production of ATP? To answer this question, investigators created artificial vesicles to mimic mitochondria. To these vesicles, they added a light-driven proton pump called bacteriorhodopsin from bacteria. When illuminated, the pH of the external solution increased, meaning that protons were pumped into the vesicles. The proton concentration became higher inside the vesicles than outside, creating a proton gradient. If ATP synthase from the mitochondria of cow cells is also incorporated into the vesicles formed ATP. Which of these scenarios would you predict to result in the formation of ATP? Click on the correct answer. There may be more than one correct choice.